Hi dear friends, welcome to this video. The colors we'll need to draw this simple and beautiful illustration are ready now. Yellow, red, blue, gray, black. Great, now that we have our colors ready, let's start painting together.
3, 2, 1!
Give a like and share happiness with us. Thanks for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Every like brings a smile to you and us. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Wow!